Ford Taurus 2015 model. So the problem is the traction light is always on, and also the ABS. So this is the problem. Service advanced track. Okay. So this one also the ABS light is always on. So we need to check guys sa itong scanner. So the trouble code not present. Okay. So let's go back to the Ford automatic selection. Okay, 2013 to 2016. Okay, I think this is the ABS problem. DTC analysis. So this one, the left front wheel speed sensor. Okay, present. Try to erase. So this one is not erased. Okay, so we have a problem with the wheel speed sensor. And so now then disconnected the wheel speed sensor. So we have new now. Okay, so let's check if the same. Okay, so I think it's the same. It's the new and this is the old. Okay, so now this is the location of the wheel speed sensor. We have 8mm bolt, so pass forward. Okay, so now done connect the wheel speed sensor. Now let's go back to inside the car and let's start the engine. So now let's start the engine. So now it's gone. Okay, the ABS light and traction, it's gone. So the problem is the ABS sensor. Okay, so let's check again here in the Bulang Clistar Ford automatic selection. Okay, it's a TI 2016 pero anti-brake, going to anti-brake system. Okay, analysis. So we have code, but see this one not present. Okay, so we can erase this one. This one is erased. Okay, so now it's the problem is solved. Okay, so now it's done. Only the tire pressure problem, the TPM is okay.